Hello and welcome back to another Barn Automotive YouTube episode. And this episode I'm showing you around this 190e Mercedes that is now finished. So it was bought as a 190 Mercedes without the pre-merger body kit on it. And then I went and bought the pre-merger kit and put it on the car, and now that is done, sprayed in the color of the car, everything matches and is finished. So this one, I showed you the one previously that's in the shop still waiting for parts. This one is a 500 horsepower turboed Mercedes. So I will show you under the hood. This is what we have under the hood of this Mercedes, putting out 500 horsepower. So it's a fully rebuilt engine, whole set turbo. The manifold is custom made. Your intercooler has a lot better cooling than the other one because the bumper is actually vented underneath that number plate. Your air intake, intercooler tubing goes down through the frame and then to the front. And the exhaust that we went for on this one, we cut the stupid baked bean can off that people always do. And this has the nice twin tip finish that comes out the back. So if you're wondering what do you get with this kit that's on the car, you get the lower door molds, the side skirts, the add-on fender flare, the front bumper, including the fog lights, and then the rear bumper and the spoiler also. There are multiple options for the spoiler with this. For me, this is my favorite. It looks the nicest. It's not too big, it's not too small. And then the exhaust tips don't actually come with the kit. So you pick what tip you want from another supplier. And then the wheels as well. These aren't an original Mercedes three-piece wheel like the ones we have on the other Mercedes. This is replicas. So they're a monoblock replica of those wheels. Now when you're driving one of these 190 Super Turbos, most of the time I have a big smile on my face. I've driven a lot of cars, a lot of supercars, Ferraris, McLarens, Lamborghinis, and I have a smile on my face when I'm driving them, but not as much as when I'm driving this. They are a lot of fun. Now this one cruises very smoothly. It's quite a loud exhaust, so you hear a lot of exhaust noise. But to cruise with the 500 horsepower mark, it's very smooth. The other 190 we have, that's 700 horsepower and it's wanting to go the whole time. It's jolty off the clutch unless you're flooring it. This one's nice and smooth when you want it to be, and then you can open it up when you want to have fun, and that's when you really start to smile. And once I hit a good piece of road, I will show you what opening up looks like, and I think you'll hear it over the video. So yeah, these are good fun, very smooth drivers, and everyone's looking at them. It attracts a lot of attention. I think this is one of a lot of people's dream cars, and it's just a lot of fun to drive. If you're on the highway in it, a lot of people are pulling up next to you, like, and there's that video clip of like why people drive lower, slammed out cars with loud exhaust, and then you see the guy in the driver's seat and he's like, woo-hoo-hoo. It's because it's a lot of fun. So yeah, for me, if you have the money, I would pick one of these over a supercar any day, any day. The transmission in this is, I think they call it a dogleg transmission. So one is back, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and reverse is up and to the left. And it's a very short, tight gearbox. It's from a 300 SL. There's not much movement between it, so you have to be careful when you're driving it that you don't do a money shift and slam it into first when you're going for third. So now I'm on a good stretch of road to open it up. That was 160 in a couple of seconds with a rolling start. So it's fast. You don't want to be doing that all the time in them, but I say 2 times per drive. You can floor it, get the wheels spinning, then it's fun. If you're interested in a 190, you can either pick from a stock selection of super turbo 190s, or we can make you your own custom build. You can pick the color of the car, the kit that goes on the car, or if you just want to buy one off the shelf quick and easy, then you can pick one that's already built and you can buy that. So if you are interested in a 190 or an E30 super turbo, then get in contact. Yeah, I can send you what we have. And the ones being built at the moment aren't finished, but they will be. And then, yeah, if you're interested, one of them could be yours. And that is this one. I love it. I fell in love with it a little bit whilst doing it. When we bought the other one, I thought, no, this is as good as it gets. I love the color of that, but this one, I like the color of even more. I think the silver looks really good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And that is it on this Mercedes. Next week, you will see the final result of the Ford Granada, the Slam Gran with the LS3. I've been very busy trying to get that car finished, and it is pretty much there now. A few complications, but just ironing them out and it will be done. So next weekend, you will see the final result of that car, driving shots and everything. So for now, I will leave you with some beauty shots of this car, and I will see you next week in the next Barn Automotive YouTube video.